Whenever we throw a kick, ऐसा kick वगैरह like front or side or mostly the rounders kick. Now the thing is, if you are committing to the kick, if you really want to kick, जब थोड़ा सा दिल से kick करते हैं, we don't usually just stay here and do one or maybe two. The thing is, when we commit to a kick, we drop the hands, we do things with the hands, like a front kick. You tend to go down. Side kick, you tend to do this, and then side. Rounders kick, you tend to do this, right? This thing. And in many sports, we are taught like that. ऐसे सिखाया जाता है कि पावर के लिए ऐसा करके ऐसा करने का, this thing. But this is very risky. This is where you get counter attacked. For example, I am kicking here. It's good, okay. The position of my hands go down and somewhat like this because I'm trying to get some power out of this opposite movement. But at the same time, someone could easily counter. This is a basic counter for a low leg kick. For a low kick, if I'm kicking here, most people are taught in the basics to do what? To move forward and punch. Because most of the time, when you will kick, जब आप kick करेंगे, your guard will be pathetic. So what to do to avoid this? So the problem is, whenever I do this, I am not very secure over here. So what I will do is, I will kind of post the hands go here somewhere, maybe like a punch. This can be disguised like a punch. So like 1, 2, and then I will kick. Now see, power will be there, but at the same time you will not leave your face open. It is different. And see, the second one, I am giving the opponent some task, like deal with this, focus on my hand, or maybe blocking his vision, or maybe putting my hand on his hand or my gloves on his gloves, and he's concerned with that, and that is when I will throw the kick. So it is better, for example, this one, better than this would be do something to the face, maybe a combination, keep your hands there, keep him confused in this northern region, and then throw a attack in the south. So same theory पोस्ट करते हुए अपने हाथ को ऐसा आगे लगाते हुए आप बंदे को कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं या फिर उसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा काम दे रहे हैं और उसी दौरान आपको किक करना है. This will reduce the risk of getting counter attack, counter punched. For example, this is the face. So I am trying 1, 2, and then I kick. So the difference is I gave something. I am making it more complicated. ज़्यादा घुसड़म कर रहा हूँ मैं. हाथ उधर रखे हैं, दोनों रखे हैं. इससे क्या होता है कि वापस पंच होने का चांस कम हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके हाथ उधर हैं, उसके हाथ उधर हैं. आप कभी भी उसको ट्रेस कर सकते हैं. You can feel it when it is coming or not coming. You can pressure forward. Most of the times, if I put my hands on your face like this, you will be thinking about the hands. And in that, maybe half second, if I try to kick, most probably you will not be able to do anything about the kick. To practice this, it can be like jab, cross, and then kick. This is not necessarily a punch if it lands good. After the punch, just keep the hand there. Instead of this, we are talking about doing this. So your kicks do not get countered. You're doing 1, 2, and then give him something to work on and then do it. So like 1, 2, and then do it. And this position, 1, 2, this is very good. This is the same thing. आप खड़े खड़े ये करते थे ना, it is the same thing. Your hands are there and then you can kick. So the power problem is solved because your hands are in same position. If you do this and if you do this and then kick, both are same. So power problem is solved and you are more safe. So that's all. Give it a try. Maybe this technique will work. Nothing works all the time. So करके देख लो शायद. No guarantee. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon.